Dear students, you are watching Dev's Academy. Today we will start the same chapter that we were continuing, that is factorization of sum or difference of cubes. It is from cubes, factorization of polynomials, Here we will study the factorization of a cube plus b cube and a cube minus b cube. The formula for a cube plus b cube is a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square, and that of a cube minus b cube equal to a minus b square plus ab plus b square. The first question is a cube plus 0.008, a cube equal to a whole cube, it is plus 0.2 whole cube, and according to this a cube plus b cube it will be a plus b square minus ab. B means here 0.2 and b square, that is 0.2 whole square, and after calculating you will get this. Then this is the answer. Next question, x to the power 6 minus 729. X to the power 6 equal to x cube whole square minus 27 whole square, that is x cube plus 27 and x cube minus 27. As because 27 equal to 3 cube, these two factors will again be broken like this way: x cube plus 3 cube, x cube minus 3 cube, and with the formula a cube plus b cube and a cube minus b cube, you will break it again, and answer is this. Next, see number 3, x to the power 9 minus y to the power 9. X to the power 9 equal to x cube whole cube minus y cube whole cube. So it is x cube minus y cube, and a cube minus b cube equal to a square minus ab plus b square, where a is x cube and b is y cube. By breaking down this x cube minus y cube with the formula a cube minus b cube, we will get x minus y, x square plus xy plus y square, and when this will be calculated it will be x to the power 6 plus x cube y cube plus y to the power 6. This is the answer. Next question, 2a cube plus 16b cube minus 5a minus 10b. From this one we have taken 2 common, and from this one we have taken 5 common, and this is a cube plus b cube, here a cube plus 8b cube minus 5 common, and it is 5 into a plus 2b. Breaking down a cube plus 8b cube, we'll get a cube a plus 2b a square. When it is plus, it will be minus, not plus, it will be minus a into 2b plus 2b square. And the second quantity, which is 5 into a plus 2b, this when it is calculated it will be a square a plus 2b a square minus 2ab plus b square, and this one minus 5a plus 2b. A plus 2b is taken common, and this is, after calculating you will get this one, a6 plus b6. Here you will get a square whole cube plus b square whole cube. Again you have broken down with a cube plus b cube, and this is this. So the answer will be a square plus b square. This is a4 minus a square b square plus b4. This is the answer. A to the power 6 number, a to the power 12 minus b to the power 12 equal to a to the power 6 whole square minus b to the power 6 whole square. Because it is a square minus b square, a plus b, a minus b. This a to the power 6 plus b to the power 6, it is again broken down with cubic formula. It is a square whole cube plus b square whole cube, and this one a to the power 6 minus b to the power 6, it is broken down a cube whole square minus b cube whole square. After breaking down only writing the formula, here it is a, here it is b, so it is a plus b, a square minus ab plus b square, because this is plus, and it is a square minus b square, so a plus b, a minus b. Now these are again broken down, and the answer is this. Question number 7. 8 into x plus y whole cube minus 27 into x minus y whole cube. 8 equal to 2. This, therefore it will be 2 into x plus y whole cube, and 27 equal to 3 into x minus y whole cube. Now this total is a and this total is b, but it is realized 2x plus 2y and 3x minus 3y. This is a and this is b. Now a cube minus b cube formula is applied here, and the answer is this. This is a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. So you can easily now calculate it. It is 4. It is 4. 4. Now question number 8. It is x plus 2 whole cube plus x minus 2 whole cube. Say x plus 2 equal to a and x minus 2 equal to b. So we are getting this expression as a cube plus b cube, because x plus 2 equal to a and x minus 2 equal to b. So according to the formula a cube plus b cube, it is a plus b, a square minus ab plus b square. Putting the value of a and b, we are getting the structure like this, and after making it simplification, we are getting this. So answer is 2x into x square plus 12. The same question, when it is here it is plus, but here it is minus, so it will be a cube minus b cube formula. Here we have taken x plus 2 equal to m and x minus 2 equal to n. Therefore it is m cube minus n cube. According to the formula a cube minus b cube, it has been broken down, and putting the value of m in, we are getting this. After simplification, we are getting its answer is 4 into a, 4 into 3a square plus 4. This is the answer. Now the question number 10. It is given like this way, and the result will be 1. We have to prove it. Just see the left hand side, which is 0.85 into 0.85 into 0.85. That means 0.85 whole cube plus, and the second one is 0.15 into 0.15 into 0.15. So it is 0.15 whole cube, and here it is 0.85 into 0.85. So it is 0.85 whole square, minus 0.85 into 0.15, 0.85 into 0.15, so it is 0.85 and 0.15, and this is 0.15 into 0.15 means 0.15 whole square. After breaking down the numerator a cube plus b cube with the formula a cube plus b cube, we are getting an expression like this way, which is cancelling this one and these two factors cancelling out. So the answer will be 0.85 plus 0.15, which is 1. It is RHS, which is given to prove that 1. This is also 1. So it is proved. Next question is to prove that 59 into 59 into 59 minus 9 into 9 into 9 by 59 into 59 plus 59 into 9 plus 9 into 9 equal to 50. Here just see that it is 3 tens and this 9 is also 3 tens. So it is 59 whole cube and this is 9 whole cube. And this is written like this way, 59 square, 59 into 9 and 9 into 9, 9 square. After breaking down this one numerator with a cube minus b cube, we are getting an expression like this way, 59 minus 9 into 59 square plus 59 into 9 plus 9 square, which is equal to the denominator. So they are cancelling each other and The answer is 59 minus 9, that is 50. This is RHS because we have to prove that this is 50. Dear students, you must not neglect your studies because all the different types of competitive examination, competitive examination, you must need the syllabus of class 10, that is secondary and higher secondary course, up to when you will be appearing in any competitive examination that needs the eligibility of graduation. The eligibility of graduation must need the syllabus of 11, 12 and 9, 10. So you must not neglect your studies. You must follow me so that you will need no tuitions. That's all today.